Mastering slang. Understanding, suck up. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of slang expressions, and we'll be unraveling the meaning behind the phrase, suck up. Whether you've heard it in movies, songs, or in a conversation, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily English. Suck up is an informal phrase that carries a rather negative connotation. To suck up means to flatter someone excessively, usually to gain their favor or approval. It often implies insincerity and has the sense of trying too hard to please someone, especially a person in authority, like a boss or teacher. The phrase, suck up, likely comes from the idea of sucking up a liquid, in this case, metaphorically absorbing someone's favor or goodwill through flattery. It's been part of the English slang vocabulary for quite some time and is commonly understood across different English-speaking cultures. To help you understand better, let's see some examples. 1. Jim is such a suck-up, he's always complimenting the boss on her outfits. 2. I hate having to suck up to my professor just to get a decent grade on my project. 3. They are not really friends with her. They just suck up to her because she is popular. In these sentences, suck up is used to describe the action of someone who is trying to win favor in an obvious and often unctuous manner. There are several synonyms for suck up. These include brown nose, flatter, butter someone up, curry favor. Using synonyms can help you avoid repetition and enrich your English vocabulary. Now that you've got a good grasp on the phrase, suck up, you can recognize it in conversations and even use it appropriately when the situation calls for it. Remember, while it's a common phrase, it's usually not one you want to be described as. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the art of understanding and using English slang. Thanks for watching.